Are you looking for a definite way to increase organic traffic to your product page? Reaching top positions for the keywords that best reflect customer search queries? You have two goals: getting your product indexed for as many relevant keywords as possible and hitting top positions for those keywords, preferably those with the highest search volume and purchase intent. You need to bag the most profitable keywords here. You can do this simply by using DataHawk. Once your project is populated with desired keywords in ASIN, you can view keywords you added to your project in the keyword list by clicking on Keyword tab here. You can add more keywords by clicking on Add Keywords tab on the top right corner of the list. The list you see here contains high-level competitive information such as the median price of the products ranking organically for the search results, the median star ratings, the median number of ratings, including reviews, the estimated monthly search volume for the search query. Hovering your cursor over it will show you the average annual search volume and the search volume for the query a year ago in order to compare it from the current figures. You also have the CPC cost for all the tracked keywords. And of course, there's a competition score that we compute at DataHawk. Depending on your approach of research, you can also choose to filter the list based on pricing, star ratings, number of ratings, and search volumes. You also have the ability to arrange your list in ascending or descending orders based on any KPI at a time. For instance, if you want to see all the keywords in order higher to lower star ratings, you can simply click here and voila, you have your list arranged. Clicking on a keyword will allow you to access various analytical tools related to it. You can see here the number of search results for this query. The average price is the average price of all the products ranking for this keyword. Similarly, the average ratings and the number of ratings. You can see the list of the products that are ranking organically for the chosen keywords while assessing key data around them. Apply your desired additional filters and start tracking the product you want. For instance, the product ranking number 1 for the keyword toothpaste is Crest 3D White Toothpaste, and you can access the key data, namely the product ranking and the page on which it is positioned, the number of sellers competing for the buy box, ratings, reviews, pricing, the estimated monthly sales volume, the estimated monthly units sold, and margins. You also have the ability to export this list to Excel. You can also click on the ASIN here in order to view the Amazon product page for the ASIN. The Sponsored Tracker tab gives you global information about the sponsored products that appear as sponsored for the selected keyword. You can see the number of sponsored products on page 1 and that on all the pages, and you have a comparison in terms of percentage. For example, you can see that for the keyword toothpaste, there are 36 sponsored products on page 1 and 50 total sponsored products. This means 72% of the sponsored products for this keyword are on page 1. Huge competition. You can also see the top 3 sponsored products that you can track directly from here if you have not tracked them yet. Next is the reverse ranking tab. You're able to quickly see how all products in your project are ranking for that keyword in the following list. The list shows you the ratings, the number of ratings, the current rating, the best ranks, the last 7-day, 14-day and 30-day average ranks, and 14 days change in percentage. Clicking on the left arrow will show you the expanded view and allow you to see the corresponding daily ranks. You can see that this product has been ranking constantly on position 1 for this keyword. The market analysis helps you analyze the competitive dynamics around the keyword in terms of pricing, rating, and star rating data points corresponding to products ranking organically for the keyword. Not only globally, you can also choose page numbers to have individual page analysis for average, maximum, minimum, median, lowest 25% and highest 25% of price ratings and review counts. The graphs below are to help you quickly visualize and compare how the position is varying due to these KPIs individually. Lastly, the keyword generator tool is helpful with keyword research and lets you unveil potentially relevant keywords for the product. DataHawk gives you suggestions based on semantic analysis of related words and top ranking products for a given keyword. And you can sort the list based on search volumes and department you want to choose a keyword for. Here, for example, the keyword teeth whitener could be a good choice as it has a high search volume. Of course, you need to consider your budget and research how the keyword has been performing using all the previous steps I just explained. But to start, click on Track for DataHawk to collect all the valuable data for you to have a quick analysis. Additionally, you also have compose your keywords, which will allow you to compose your own custom keywords with the given suggestions based on most related search terms to the top rated products.